Hi, this is Mike at Grenada Boatshed. Today we're on board an Oceanis 381 Clipper from 2000, two cabin, two head version. That was the stern head, nav station, now looking forward through the saloon. In good condition, now going forward to the forward cabin with its own ensuite heads tucked away behind the door here. I'll just have a look in here. Showers in both cabins, in both heads. Now looking back out into the saloon, looking aft, going aft now with the galley to our right hand side on the port side of the boat, and then looking into the stern cabin, which currently is being used as a bit of a storage area.